Hello guys, good evening. I can see what the importance of security guard to your work as a security guard. You know why? Do not miss the lag book, the lag sheet. Always, I will remind you, lag sheet is very important because the judge during the criminalization of your duty, the judge based on your logbook or log sheet to write your hand, always evidence the judge. So we can do always log sheet anytime, anywhere what you happen, you are the situation of your A1 area of responsibilities, do your log sheet. Okay, always.